Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm here. In this video I'll show you how to free up space on your iPhone if your storage is full. So let's get started. First of all, check your iPhone storage by going to the settings, then the general, then you can see the iPhone storage option. So here you will see your total storage, how much you are using and how much is left. If you are running low, follow these steps to free up space. Go through your apps and remove the ones you don't need. To delete an app, tap the app and select the delete app option. Confirm by tapping delete it again. This will instantly free up space. Many apps take up storage, so removing unused ones can help a lot. Open your Photos apps and delete any unnecessary photos or videos, especially large files. After deleting them, go to Albums like this and select the recently deleted option. Then select all and tap delete all to permanently remove them and free up space. Messages and their attachment take up a lot of space storage. If you don't need them, open the Messages app like this and delete all conversation. Delete attachments like images and videos by selecting them and tapping delete. These small files add up, so clearing them can make a difference. Then your next step is go to the settings, then click on the Apple ID at the top, then select the iCloud option. Under Photos, turns on iCloud Photos and select Optimize iPhone Storage. This saves space by storing full resolution photos in iCloud while keeping smaller version on your devices. Then your next step is clear the Safari cache. To clear them, click on the settings, search Safari like this, then tap clear history and website data, and to find it click on this and choose all history like this. This removes cache files and free up extra space. Then your next step is reinstall apps. Go to the settings, then iPhone storage, from general iPhone storage, then select an app and tap offload app. This removes this removes the app but keeps your data. To fully clear its cache, delete the app completely and reinstall it from the App Store. Sometimes iOS and system data can take up a lot of space. If it's excessive, backup your iPhone to iCloud or iTunes. Perform a factory reset and restore your data. This clears out unnecessary systems files and can free up significant storage. By following these steps, you should have more space on your iPhone. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.